The benefit of problems inside of relationships. How you guys doing? This is Ron Simplified Myers, author, podcaster, and your uplifting life partner. This particular topic I think is very important because a lot of people think through life that life is supposed to be simple. You're not supposed to have what people call problems. I like to look at them as challenges. I know some people will say, who cares what words you use? But the reality is words have power. And as we've all heard, that your tongue is like a sword. And by that, it can cut you. It can harm you based on the words because we have meanings attached to those words. And so my thing is, if problems work for you, if problems inspires you, then use the word problem. For a lot of people, problems is a negative, and it actually keeps them from moving forward in their life. So if that word is something that stops you, then maybe using the word challenge is the best way. And that's what I look at them as. I look at them as challenges, not that I couldn't call them problems and move forward, but I like to call them challenges because I think that's what life is all about. The different things that cross our path are there to help us get some lessons to move forward. And now, why am I saying these problems or these challenges occurring in life is a benefit in your relationships? The reason I say that is you guys may have heard the song, or at least the words inside of a song where it talks about heartbreak led me to you. That's the benefit. Because again, if you didn't go through the different obstacles in life, like even in relationships, the relationships that you had in the past, if you didn't have those relationships and learn the lessons from those relationships, then what would prepare you to appreciate when you find the right one? Now, that doesn't mean everybody has to date 20 different people, 40 different people, 100 different people. We talked about that before in the last video about dating, that you need to date more. So that's not what I'm saying when I'm talking about here, that you have to do all of that in order to learn these lessons. What I'm saying is just through the dating, kind of what I'm saying, that's where you'll get the lessons. Because remember, I said my definition of dating is the intent to connect with another, and it is successful. So just talking to someone, that is a connection. That to me is what we're calling a date. Why? Because we got to do more of them. So we want to get the blinders off and quit narrow handicapping ourselves by believing that a date is something that's intimate and something that we're looking for the husband or wife and we're doing an interview process and all of that. Let's get past all that. What we're doing is making connections with other people. We're going to take the lessons. We're going to take the gifts that people are giving us, and those are going to help us fine tune. We're doing it anyway. You see what I'm saying? But the key is becoming very conscious of the different things that are happening, and then use those different lessons, those different challenges to grow, so that, as the song says, heartbreak led me to you. So when that right person does show up, you appreciate them. I was even having that conversation. I said, I've been one of those people like, when ladies want you to rub their feet and stuff, I'm like, ugh, I don't even want to touch my own feet while I want to touch somebody else's feet. But you get past those kind of things. That would be my challenge, okay? But if you know that's something that she'd like, then you need to deal with these inner conversations. What is it about feet? What that you're going through, this mental trauma? And address that particular challenge because it's something that will benefit your relationship, because especially if it's something that she likes, something that she appreciates, that shows her that she's significant to you, then those are the things that we need to work on. But anyway, the bottom line, and I think you guys got it. You understand why I'm saying all the challenges in life are there for that reason. Because you've heard me say before, if you snapped your fingers and everything you wanted showed up, there's the car, there's the home, there's the partner you want. In a few minutes, you got everything you want. Now what? Life would become a complete bore. So we need these, what we call challenges or what we call problems, whatever word inspires you. We need those to propel us to appreciate the things that are coming in the future. And we'll treat them and give them the love and the what we want to say, the appreciation that they deserve. All right, but as you guys know, it ain't right, it ain't wrong. It is my opinion. Run on over to the app, which is on Google Play, also on Apple Apple Store. Wow, I don't know why I get caught up on those, but anyway, on the Apple Store, and it's under Simplified You, the letter U, not the word U. Simplified You. It's a free download. It'll give you, keep you up to date on everything I have going on. And as you guys know, if you're not having fun, you should be doing something else. Take these challenges, take these problems, whatever words that you want to call them, you want to use, and make sure you use them as a benefit because you took the lessons for them so that we can appreciate the present and more importantly, our future. All right, talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.